The support that N. Srinivasan claimed from his board is clearly a figment of his imagination, as more and more voices from within the BCCI and state associations ask N. Srinivasan to step aside. Realizing the isolation, a desperate Srinivasan is now checking on his numbers to avoid an ouster.
On Sunday, when BCCI chief N. Srinivasan faced the media, he claimed the entire board's support.
I have not been asked by anybody to resign.
But just 4 days later, the man who is clinging on to power against wishes of a billion people is now clearly perturbed by the growing clamour for his ouster.
Looking at the interests of the board, I would definitely consider the option of staying away from an inquiry. I mean, stepping down till the process.
His own board members, the sports ministry and now even the government has asked him to step down, but the BCCI chief is refusing to quit without a fight.
Even as clamour grows louder for his resignation, Times Now learns BCCI chief's associates have been leaving no stone unturned to ensure he could hang on to his position as the BCCI president by garnering support from associations. While BCCI has the magical number of 10, they are unlikely to pass a special resolution until they have the numbers to oust Mr. Srinivasan from his position as the BCCI chief.
If the Srinivasan is found guilty, I think definitely he had to resign. But if he is not guilty, then why he should resign?
He should reach out to his conscience, and it will be better if he steps down.
The tide is slowly turning against Srinivasan. But while some of the cricketing legends are choosing to be silent on the issue, others are only willing to talk to channels who they have an official commitment with.
Mr. Gavaskar, there have been numerous allegations about Srinivasan. I think as a legend you have to react on this, sir.
I think I'm with NDTV, so I can't obviously.
Yeah? Sorry, sir?
I'm with NDTV.
The chorus for his ouster reaching a fever pitch. So far, the BCCI chief has defied all. But how long can Srinivasan ignore the brewing rebellion? Can the BCCI get the magic number of 24 to remove Srinivasan from the post? Bureau Report, Times Now.